This is my second trip to Romania. I was here 11 years ago at a similar meeting in Bucharest, so I have lots of friends that are here. Today I spoke about solving difficult problems with cosmetic eyelid surgery. And tomorrow I'm going to talk about the technique I use in doing a facelift, facial rejuvenation, both lifting and adding fat as volume to deal with the effects of age. Well, there's always going to be a place for surgery because we, as of yet, don't have a procedure that is going to tighten skin or reverse the effects of gravity. But aging is threefold. One is too much wind and sun, environmental, and lots of the skin resurfacing procedures work well. Loss of volume, and a lot of the fillers do that, and we've got Botox to deal with some of the hyperanimated muscle. But surgery will always have a role because things will drop because of gravity. And unless we start walking on our hands half the day, that's going to be a problem. My job as a surgeon is to make sure I can make my patient happy. So if a patient comes in expecting things that are unrealistic, they're going to be unhappy. So I would rather refuse, and I refuse patients all the time. I want to make sure that what I can do can exceed what their expectations are, and that will give you happy patients. All you need is one patient that causes you a nightmare because they're unhappy. The surgery may have been perfect, but you misjudged what the patient really wanted, and in any circumstance, you couldn't give it to her. So you have to be very careful. You have to be a psychologist as well as be a surgeon. Yes, social media is also, the use of social media to find a doctor has been awful because every young person, poorly trained, untrained, can spend money and develop a fancy website, call themselves the world's best in whatever, and throw themselves out on social media. The patients get hurt in that scenario. So the old traditional way of you asking your regular doctor, who's the best person to do my facelift or my nose, you had them referring someone who had an established reputation. Every young, unfinished resident is less concerned about going out and doing good things for the world. All they really care about is making sure their website and their SEI, search engine optimization, SEO is, so unfortunately it's consumer beware. No, the Romanians do a wonderful job. Lots of friends, gracious hospitality. It's been very well done.